Let's have a look at an example, a make or buy decision at Mary and Sue's bagel shop. So Mary and Sue are fresh graduates and they want to open a bagel shop. Though the first main decision is, should they make the bagels on site in their shop, or should they just buy the bagels from a local bakery? And let's assume they only look at the financial aspects. During their research they learn if they buy from the bakery, this requires some investment in special containers that are airtight, so that the quality of the bagels remain as fresh as possible. And the annual fixed cost for these airtight containers are $1,000. And the bakery is willing to sell the bagels to Mary and Sue for 40 cents for one bagel. Now, on the other hand, if Mary and Sue decide to produce the bagels in-house, they need to invest in a kitchen, and the fixed cost for this kitchen are $15,000. We assume these are annual costs because we need to take care of our kitchen over time, and make sure that it's always ready. But if we do it in-house, the cost for a bagel are only 15 cents. They did some market research, and Mary and Sue expect that they will be able to sell around 60,000 bagels in the first year of opening their shop. Now the question is, what is better? Buying the bagels from the bakery or producing the bagels in-house? The next question is, if Mary and Sue are uncertain about next year's bagel demand, what is the indifference point between making and buying the bagels? So what is the quantity where making and buying results in the same total cost? Okay, how to solve this? Let's start with question A. We compare the total cost for in-house production as well as for outsourcing. What is the given data? They expect to sell 60,000 bagels. The fixed cost for buying annually are $1,000. The unit cost for buying at the bakery are 40 cents. On the other hand, for making, the fixed cost for the kitchen are $15,000 per year, and the unit costs are 15 cents. Now we can just calculate the total cost for buying by substituting these values into our formula, and the total cost for buying will be $25,000. We repeat the same steps by substituting the values in the total cost for making. If we make the bagels ourselves, then we have the fixed cost of $15,000 and the 15 cents for the 60,000 bagels we sell, resulting in total cost of $24,000. So if we can sell 60,000 bagels, then making the bagels in-house is cheaper. We save $1,000. So in that case, Mary and Sue should do the bagels in-house. Now we want to calculate the inflection point. Maybe Mary and Sue are not so sure if they can really sell 60,000 bagels, and they want to know, although based on this previous calculation, you see the total cost for buying are 25,000 and for making are 24,000, though they are quite close together. So let's calculate the inflection quantity. Here the approach is to equal the total cost for buying with the total cost for in-house production. Now our quantity, we can no longer substitute the 60,000 because this is what we now want to compute the inflection point. We rearrange the equation and we calculate an inflection quantity of 56,000 bagels. That means when Mary and Sue can sell 56,000 bagels, then the procurement decision using a supplier, the outsourcing, is exactly resulting in the same cost like doing the bagels in-house. Now we know the unit cost for in-house production are lower. So if Mary and Sue think they will in any case sell more than 56,000 bagels, then they should go for the insourcing decision. They should produce the bagels themselves. But if they are not so sure about this and they think, okay, maybe in our first year we will sell a smaller number of bagels, then they should decide for the outsourcing decision. Now, keep in mind, for this basic calculation, we only took into account financial considerations. Now, there might be other things to consider. In particular, when they are focusing on selling bagels, the quality of the bagels will matter a lot. So, in order to be able to control the quality of the bagels, it might be better to produce the bagels in-house, even if Mary and Sue expect a lower number of bagels. But this is another argument in addition to these financial considerations. But you need to understand that you should not only look on the financial implications, you also need to look on other business implications when you make this make or buy decision.